In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve fingerprint option not showing on your Android phone. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, you need to make sure that your phone is up to date. For that, go to settings and then go to system. Click on the system update option. Click on online update. From here, all you have to do is to update your phone. And once your phone is updated, in 90% of the cases, your problem will be solved. However, if the issue still persists, then what you need to do is to go back to settings. Again, click on system and then click on this reset phone option. Click on reset app preferences and then click on reset apps. Once you have reset your phone, all you have to do is to restart it and your problem will be solved. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.